Say, what is all that white stuff? What is it? Ooh, what's on their bottom, Sandy? You got a dingleberry. Rosie. Oh, looks like someone got into some pumpkins. I see seeds. Rosie, what'd you think of the snow? Sandy, you done? Hi, Rosie. What's all this snow? What is it? What is all that white stuff? What is the white stuff? Come on, girls. Hey, Rosie. What is all this white stuff? Hey, Princess.